Welcome. Hummingbirds on coins from Trinidad and Tobago. Here is an interesting coin for collectors and hummingbird lovers. Hummingbirds are birds native to the Americas and constituting the biological family Trochilidae. They are the smallest of birds. The smallest extant hummingbird species is the 5 cm bee hummingbird, which weighs less than 2 grams. The 1-cent coin minted during 1976 to 2016 are minted with a hummingbird in flight depicted on it. The 1-cent coin comes with Obser's coat of arms of Trinidad and Tobago with motto, Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Together we aspire, together we achieve. And reverse, a hummingbird in flight. Trinidad and Tobago, officially the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, is the southernmost island country in the Caribbean and is known for its fossil fuel wealth. Visit Coin House, Kochi shop for more items. https://coin-house-kochi.blogspot.com/